Hello Primary 6. So this week you are going to be learning about indirect speech. There is a YouTube video for you to watch, but I'll also just go through what you've got to do today. So at the top here it says we can write speech in two different ways, as direct speech or as indirect speech. Okay, so we've got two examples here. The jockey said, "My horse can gallop fast." So notice here that "my horse can gallop fast," that is the words that the jockey has actually said. And it's those words that go in between the speech marks. Okay, this is written in direct speech. The jockey's exact words are enclosed in the inverted commas, speech marks. Over this side it says the jockey said that his horse could gallop fast. This is written in indirect speech. You don't know the exact words he's actually said. Some of the words he said are there, but it's not the exact order of the words he actually said. The jockey's exact words are not used, so inverted commas are not needed. Okay? Change these sentences into indirect speech. You may have to change the words slightly. The first one has been done for you, so we're needing it all to be changed into indirect speech. Remember, that's when we have no speech marks, no inverted commas. Okay, so number one, it says, "How old are you?" Carl asked the old lady. It's a bit cheeky of Carl, but okay. So, "How old are you?" is what Carl's actually said. This question mark is inside the two speech marks. That has changed into indirect speech, and it said Carl asked the old lady how old she was. Do you see what's happened there? So the next one is the doctor said, "Please sit down, Mrs. Williams." So you've got to change that into indirect speech. So you could write the doctor asked Mrs. Williams to sit down. Or the doctor asked Mrs. Williams to please sit down. Okay, the doctor asked. So I've changed that word said. I said the doctor asked Mrs. Williams to sit down. So you could change the order of some words just so that it makes sense in the best way. Don't think you should have too much problems with that. Just try your best. Making sure. Change these sentences into direct speech. So you're doing the same as the last time, but changing around this time, so we do have speech marks. The first one has been done for you. Mr. Bertoli asked Marissa if she had hurt herself. "Have you hurt yourself, Marissa?" Mr. Bertoli asked the girl. So what words is he actually saying? That's the words that you've got to put inside the speech marks. So let's look at the next one. The boy said that he knew the answer. So, what is he actually saying? I know the answer. That's what he's actually saying. I know the answer, said the boy. Okay, that would be the answer to number 2. So on you go and try and sort these and twist them round so that they are direct speech. And at the bottom, as always, we have got our practice our punctuation. We need capital letters, commas, full stops, question marks, exclamation marks, whatever you think. Maybe even speech marks today, okay? Good luck.